I welcome you all. So today I would like to explain about the derivation of regression equation Vionics. Derivation of regression equation, regression line of y on x. So suppose xi yi n data points 1 2 so on n data points are plotted on a scatter diagram. You may getting like this, and clustering the points, you will get a straight line that is nothing but y equals to a plus bx. So now let y equals to a plus bx is the line of best fit for the given n data points, right? So if you observe this equation, there are two unknown values, that is nothing but the constants, or we call it as parameters, to obtain a and b. The normal equations are so you know that summation y equals to na plus b summation x. I put it equation 1. The another normal equation is summation xy equals to a summation x plus b summation x square, right? So now divide equation 1 by n, we get, right? So this is nothing but 1 by n summation y equals to, this is a plus b into 1 by n summation over x. 1 by n summation y is nothing but y bar equals to a plus b. This is nothing but the arithmetic mean of the x series. So can I write this is nothing but y bar equals to a plus b x bar. So I put it, this is equation 3. Right? So from this the line of regression passes through point x bar y bar, right? X bar y bar, that is the mean values of x series and y series. So now again divide equation 2 by 1, equation 2 by n, we get what you are getting, 1 by n summation xy minus this, equals to a into, this is nothing but 1 by n summation x plus b into 1 by n summation x square. So this is, I put it equation 4, right? So now so you can do equation 4 minus equation 3 into x bar. So what you get, this is the equation 4, so this is the equation 3. Equation 3 is multiply with x bar, so I have to getting 1 by n summation xy minus x bar into y bar is nothing but x bar y bar. So left hand side component is over. The right hand side component a into 1 by n summation x. This is again a into x bar minus a into x bar, right? So plus b into 1 by n summation x square. This is nothing but again you have to multiply with x bar, so minus b into x bar square, right? So this is the left hand side, another one is right hand side. So if you observe, this left hand side is nothing but covariance of xy. Am I right? This is the covariance of xy. A into 1 by n x bar is nothing but this value, entire value is nothing but the mean value of x series. So we can write x bar. So ax bar minus ax bar both are cancelled. So b, this is nothing but b 1 by n summation x square minus b into x bar square. B is common. 1 by n summation x square minus x bar square, which is nothing but the variance of x. This is nothing but the variance of x. So therefore one unknown parameter value, that is b hat, equals to covariance of x y by sigma square x, that is the variance of x. So if you simplify some more, so you know that correlation coefficient is defined as Karl Pearson's covariance of xy by standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y. So covariance of xy, I can write instead of covariance of xy, r into sigma x into sigma y. So r into sigma x into sigma y by sigma square x, right? So ultimately what you are getting, b hat equals to r into sigma y by sigma x. Am I correct? So this is what you are getting, one unknown parameter which is involved in the line of best fit, right? So now substitute b hat in equation 3. So what you are getting, so just I have to substitute y bar equals to a plus b. B is r into sigma y by sigma x into x bar, right? So suppose a, I need a equals to y bar minus r into sigma y by sigma x into x bar. Am I correct? This is nothing but another unknown value which is involved in the line of best fit for the given n data points, right? So now substitute both equations, both unknown parameters. So let substitute a hat and b hat in the line of best fit, that is y equals to a plus bx, right? So just you substitute the components which are obtaining from now. So y equals to a value is nothing but y bar minus r into sigma y by sigma x into x bar plus b value is nothing but r into sigma y by sigma x, sigma y by sigma x into x, right? So this is nothing but the regression equation of y on x. Just you rewrite this equation as y minus y bar equals to just this component transform to left hand side, y minus y bar. Again here we observe that r into sigma y by sigma x into x, r into sigma y by sigma x into x bar. So one of the component is common, so I have to take the common r into sigma y by sigma x. So here this is nothing but x, here is nothing but the minus x bar, minus x bar. So this is nothing but the regression line of y on x. This is nothing but the regression line of y on x, right? Y minus y bar equals to r into sigma y by sigma x into x minus x bar. So where y bar is nothing but the mean value of the y series, x bar is nothing but the mean value of the x series, r is nothing but the correlation coefficient between the x and y, sigma y is nothing but the standard deviation of y, sigma x is nothing but the standard deviation of x, right? So similarly the regression equation of x on y is x minus x bar equals to r into sigma x by sigma y into y minus y bar. So this is the regression equation of x on y. So here you observe there are two coefficients are there. So one is this, another one is this. So this is called the regression coefficient of y on x. It is indicating as byx. Byx equals to r into sigma y by sigma x. So another regression coefficient, that is nothing but regression line of x on y equals to r into x by sigma y. So this is the regression coefficient of regression line of y on x. This is the regression coefficient of regression line of x on y, right? So thank you.